I would suggest that everyone stay seated until you are directed to disembark the aircraft.
It wasn't the welcome home these passengers from Brisbane were hoping for. Those on board the Darwin-bound plane found out mid-flight that the NT government had declared Greater Brisbane a coronavirus hotspot.
This includes the council areas of Brisbane, Logan, Ipswich, Moreton and Redlands. This supports the rapid action that has been taken by the Queensland Government.
In total, there's about 600 passengers that were bound for the Territory today. So our officers and public health officials will be looking to see who comes from the hotspots.
People arriving on flights to the Territory from Brisbane today were offered either free quarantine or a free flight home. But that choice wasn't given to passengers on a Jetstar flight that landed in Yulara mere minutes after Chief Minister Michael Gunner made the hotspot announcement via Facebook.
They immediately turned this flight around and are returning those passengers to Brisbane.
Jetstar has apologised to its customers and offered refunds, but it says it wasn't given any warning the restrictions were coming. The airline says it felt returning to Brisbane was the best decision for passengers and the community.
And I'd like to thank Jetstar and obviously the aviation industry for the level of support to help protect Territorians.
The government is also recommending that people who've arrived in the NT from Brisbane since the 2nd of January self-isolate and get tested, but it won't make it mandatory.
We're not going to issue a direction, but it is highly recommended. So do the right thing by the Territory, go out, get tested.
I've come from a meeting today that makes me feel comfortable that we do not need a direction in terms of a must have a test.
The hotspot declaration has been made while Chief Minister Michael Gunner is on holiday in the Sunshine State. Nicole Manison says her boss hasn't been in Brisbane during the period of concern and that he phoned into today's National Cabinet meeting from regional Queensland.
He's making his way back to the Northern Territory now. Clearly because of the meetings that we've had to have today, it's been a bit delayed, his travel.
A reminder that the pandemic can affect anyone at any time. Cameron Gooley, ABC News.